Hello, my name is Brandon McKinney, and this is my first video on 5th grade fractions for MAE 305. My standard was 5.NF.2, which states that students should be able to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction of fractions referring to the same whole, including cases of unlike denominators, by using visual fraction models or equations to represent the problem. They should be able to use benchmark fractions and number sense of fractions to estimate mentally and assess the reasonableness of answers. For example, they should recognize that the sum of 2/5 plus 1/2 cannot be 3/7 because 3/7 is less than 1/2. So my problem is I have Andy, Jim, and Gary that decide to order a pizza. Andy eats 1/4 of the pizza by himself, and Jim eats 5/8 of the pizza. Gary was late meeting up with Jim and Andy, so how much of the pizza is left for him to eat? So we've got Andy, who ate 1/4, and Jim, who ate 5/8. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw some pizzas to represent how much they both ate. So if Andy ate 1/4, say ate that piece, and Jim eats 5/8, that means he ate, say, that much. And as you can see here, you can't really add the 1/4 of the pizza and the 5/8 together because they're not equal slices. So what you need to do is make the pizzas to have equal slices. So basically you're just finding a common denominator, which in this case would be 8, because 4 and 8 both can go into 8. So what you do here is you just make Andy another pizza, and then instead of 1/4, you turn that into 2/8. So 2/8 would be this much right here, which, as you can see, it is equivalent to the 1/4. It's just got more slices. So then you've got the 5/8 that Jim ate. As you can see here, 5/8 plus the 2/8 equals 7/8. So you have the 7/8 So you got the 2/8 plus the 5/8 equals the 7/8, which gives you one slice left over. So you have 1/8 left for Gary. And you can also show these with fraction strips. As you can see, there's a hole, and your 1/4 plus your, if you can do 1/4 plus 5/8, 5/8. This shows that 1/4 and 5/8 is actually equivalent to the 2/8, and then you can add another 1/8 back, which is how much was left for Gary after you have what Andy ate, what Jim ate, and then this is what will be left over for Gary. Alright, so hope this taught you a little bit about 5th grade fractions, and I hope it shows how you can use pie graphs and fraction strips as manipulatives to solve word problems.